Haitian crib. What a fella. Come on here là. Hey. Oh, Haitian crib be like I went Haitian crib. I'm going to show you around. Nous get cuisine là. You know. This is the food. Oh, Happy New Year's everybody. We're going to faire soupe joumou. Montre. Okay, mes amis. Malade goût mes amis. Nous get un petit stove, you know what I'm saying? Nous get un sink. M'ba j'aime laver assiette mes amis. M'ba j'aime laver assiette papa. Et nous got un petit banana. We get exercise, you know what I'm saying? M'ba guess, you know how people say you have the sub-zero refrigerator? I don't have that. Même get refrigerator normal là mes amis. Voilà plein mes amis. C'est la boîte de baguette ça non? You know what I'm saying? I got the the cola la caille, you know what I'm saying? The cola la caille. Bon my guy. Get banane pesé. Bon my guy mes amis. Oh. Get œufs. Get des œufs en bas là, ouais. Manger mes amis. I have the cereal. The cemento squash, the taste you can't see. Oh, manger. Let me show you on the living room. You know where we chill. My family mess up. I'm come baby la. Okay. This is my living room. Yeah. I'm better to living room. This is my cousin. He just came out of Haiti. How you doing? Say hi. Say hi, Haitian Cribs.
Hello, yo.
Okay. Okay, stop. I was we're going to sofa là, on belle sofa. Oh, you know, Haitian sofa, you gotta cover it up. You don't want to get it dirty, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Yeah. Petit toys là bas. This is my zone, whatever. And then you have here the flat screen TV. Flat screen. 60-inch flat screen TV. Regardez, quand je garçon frais comme mes amis. Je finis chita sur mon sofa, je suis venu en spray pour le sofa. Yes. And then we have the table here. Côté famille, chita pour nous manger.
Table has food. You can manger.
Il y a un remote optimum. On monte au Christmas tree. Même qui mette lui. Monte lui. Sans gif en bas partner. Ouf! On va monter au bâton. On est bathroom là. Bathroom. This is where it all goes down, baby. Après de manger sous joumou ça, montre là men. M'fait même une chita à sorti ça. Bien, I bless the bathroom, I can say. I bless the bathroom. You know, put them both down. And then right here we have the douche. You know what I'm saying?
And this is the room from the first Viva.
Ma votre ça lève une batte même dire votre la chambre dire. What else can I show? Oh, m'bal moto machine ouais. This is my cars. Hey, viens nous voir pas balcon ka montrer machine là parking lot là. Tout ça est machine ouais.
Hey man.
Hey, shut up, they don't know this in the parking lot. The machine, This is machine. I got the little bicycle right here. I don't know if you could see. If anywhere, you know, blackout. We have blackout here. You see my kitchen. You see my living room. I introduce you to my family. This is my little cousin. This is some kid that cleans the house. He's like, oi! He doesn't want to get his face on camera, you know what I'm saying? If you know what I'm saying. This wraps up the second edition of the Haitian show. This is the MTV Haitian Clips. Okay, MTV. Mettez le there. Nous pas payer bill moins. Nous va faire moins mettez le there. Chou. Hasta la vista. Te quiero grande mucho. Te nous. Aloha!